Very sorry. I don't know what happened. It looks like the internet stopped for a bit and the stream stopped too. I don't know why. Internet problems. Welcome back, welcome back. Small interruption, but we are back. No, sound is good. Don't think sound has any problems. Can you check this? Of course. Let's take a look. Analyze it. Based on price, came out of consolidation, close below. Took sellers prior to testing the zone to come down. No, we're start with them. Ready. I think this trade is the same that the trade I lost to with the UJ. So the only problem can be if price came from another zone like it did on USDJPY. On USDJPY, price rejected the support, so came out as a rejection. That can be one of the reasons why we got stopped. And on EJ can be the same thing because it was a 4-hour support. So probably this was the reason why you got stopped, because price was rejecting the support and you took sells after the rejection. Let's take a look at your chart, Tyler. Euro Canadian dollar 4-hour. You want to take the retest, and you don't worry about this at all. For me, I would hesitate a bit with this, just because it's coming from another zone. EA, what about EA? No, I wouldn't take EA either, because EA also is coming from resistance, also broke some zones in between I mean, we can have a rejection if it does come, but would be too risky for me. I wouldn't prefer taking this. I think EA is gonna reject, but it is too volatile. I don't know if 20 pip stop loss would be enough for this. That's the only thing. And I think it can come a little deeper. Let's see. Yeah, maybe we can try taking this. If it does come where these candles are closed. To be honest, see, these candles are closed all the way down here. And we have some other candles that are closed all the way up here. So we have pretty big range in between, 40 pips. Taking a trade in between this would be very risky, I think, but still should reject in between somewhere here. I don't think it's gonna come all the way down and recover this big bullish candle, because it wouldn't make any sense technically. So we'll see. I think it's too risky for now. We need some more confirmation, like I said on EUR/NZD. EUR/NZD still is not pushing. It's a daily retest and I'm not taking it just because it's too risky on the daily. And we might have a deeper retest, and 20 pip stop wouldn't be enough then because it's a volatile pair. So we are waiting for a safer setup here, which would be coming all the way up after this, respecting this retest, closing above the previous candle, making small pullback to give us an entry. That's what I think. Have you ever thought about increasing a stop take profit to like 30 or 40 pips for more volatile pairs? No. I think stop loss shouldn't be increased, there's no need. But you can increase your take profit if you want. I would still prefer a 20 pip first take profit still, because it doesn't matter if it's a volatile pair or not. It's just more safe and more realistic. I mean, you can expect a 20 pip move always, but not a 40 pip move, because 40 pips is a lot and not every time you'll have that. For now, there is no trade. Still waiting. GJ didn't respect that either, just like the other pairs. All JPY pairs made the same movement. Almost all of them. So the best would be EUR/NZD, if it does happen like I'm expecting, even though it's a pretty big move that should happen here. But I guess for your NZD it's not going to be a big deal. It's just that gonna take some time. That's all. Very slow day. Very, very slow day. Nothing's happening. Weird. We only had that UJ trade which didn't do nothing. USD CAD is at daily support, so it might continue to the upside down. That's what I think. EJ. I don't know about EJ, what's gonna happen, but I was hoping that it might come and make a retest at this resistance here. Then some continuation, but it doesn't look like there is enough volume to push EJ all the way up here. So seems pretty impossible. Look at EJ resistance 124.820. Yeah, I see. I see this on the 4 hour. Also on the 1 hour. But it's rejecting that also. I still think JPY pairs are still gonna drop, but it is just a small pullback for some more continuation. So we're gonna need some more confirmation if we want to enter. For example, UJ, even though UJ is not coming back at all, but maybe later on, who knows? Can still have movement later on. The thing is, we're not even having, coming breakouts. There's no upcoming breakouts. That's the worst thing. Because we know that in the next hour we're gonna wait for this or that, but everything seems too slow. And I don't know what we're gonna get next hour because nothing's happening. Yeah, yesterday there was a lot of movement, so today it's like a resting day. After a big drop, usually it happens to slow down the next day. Fun happens, no. Too many pips. I'm gonna call him if he wants to come tomorrow. I'm gonna ask him. Gonna tell him tomorrow if you wanna come. No worries. Guys, I think I'm gonna go. Maybe come back later because I really think it's not necessarily to stay right now in the charts because it's nothing happening. I mean, we can spend this time to do something else. Starting with $75, how much should I risk? 75. Wow, it's gonna be hard for you. 1%, yes. Gonna have to go, guys. Gonna have to go because I don't see anything happening right now, and there's no need for us to stay in front of charts. Maybe if we do have any trades, I'll let you know on my Telegram channel. Just because we don't have any trades, so why not? Since we only had that UJ trade. So we'll have to see. Thank you all. We'll see. Maybe later on I'll do another, who knows. But for now, it's nothing happening. Really, it's not worth staying it. We should know when we should come back, when we have some proper movement. So have a nice day for now.